Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to correct way to shut down a Cisco ISE node via the command line interface. It is a common mistake to just pull the plug or shut down the VM from the hypervisor, but doing that can lead to database corruption. To keep your development healthy, we need to follow a two-step process: stopping the service first and then halting the system. The step first is to stopping the application services. So we are here in the console of Cisco ISE, and first we will do show application status ISE to list all of the application services to check the status. Okay, you can see here that database service running, applications are running, and etc. Okay, so first we need to have here the state not running. For that we will use command application stop ISE, and we will wait some time. After a few minutes we will have here state not running. Okay, let's wait, and I will pause the video until it's finished. Okay, so now we can again do show application status ISE, and you can see now it's not running. So now safely we can do the halt command, and we will say running configuration, yes. Continue with shutdown, yes. And Cisco ISE is off. Now you can go and do your hypervisor or in your physical machine to plug off the power. And that is that. Your Cisco ISE node is now safely shut down without any risk of the database. Remember always to stop the application before you halt the system. If you found this quick tip helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more networking and security tutorials. If you have any kind of questions, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.